Thousands of years ago, the wolf stepped out of the forest and transformed, in an evolutionary blink of the eye, into the dog. This remarkable animal followed us and understood us, and we embraced him like no other creature. From the descendants of ancient wild dogs in Papua New Guinea to a hairless breed thought to have magical powers in Mexico, dogs have made a lasting impact on cultures and civilizations around the world. They are healers and skilled herders.
Maybe we'd still be hunters and gatherers if it wasn't for dogs.
They act as guardians and expert guides.
Without them, we would have never survived. Without them, we wouldn't be here.
Now, a controversial theory suggests the birthplace of the dog can be narrowed down to one corner of the globe. Through DNA evidence, scientists are trying to pinpoint that spot, the motherland of all dogs that would adapt and eventually change the world. At dawn in the highlands of Papua New Guinea, a band of men set out to hunt.